What up, Dell? Yo, that's why I do stuff like that, man. That's why I do it. What up, BK? Yo, I thought you were having a good day. Weren't you just having a, you were saying you were up in everything but one account? Did you trade at lunch and take a punch? What up, Double O? CT in the house. What up? Oh, yeah, it was about to go pro. That does suck, man. What up, caveman? 205 is here. Mama Tick in the building. What's up, Khalid? What up? What up? I'm just setting everything up. Yo, I'm in a cardboard box. I'm here in the car driving. Would you have to? You're at a different state, right, Sean? Just trying to pass. Just trying to pass a bunch of accounts. Honestly. You're in Walmart right now, BK? You're just going to meetings to meetings? Did you trade the 3-bar reversal today? I did, Wayne. You're talking about the one that just happened up here, right? I did. Yo, what up, Chad? I mean, your ear? Dude, that reminds me, what's that song, Dick in the Ear? That thing? Oh. Yeah, 3-bar was money. 3-bar was fucking money. If you guys didn't play it, I can't help you out. I talk about it all the time. You know what's crazy is you got the 3-bar at the very bottom today, and then you got it at the top. The only 3-bar that didn't work was this one. But honestly, I really wasn't looking to trade anything because we were just wicking all over the place. That I really wasn't trying to trade this. But this one happened at the very bottom, and this one happened at the top. Man, this feels... Yo, BK. What up, K? Yeah, it's called 3-bar reversal pattern. Lux Algo. You think your settings are off on the 3? I didn't touch any of the settings on the 5-minute. Just give me a little bounce. Man, there's a lot of fucking air under this. Yeah, it's called three bar reversal pattern here. Lux Algo. Oh no. Lux Algo 3-bar reversal pattern. What up, Vivo? Do you not see, like, if you go to your 5-minute chart, do you not see it at the top here and at the bottom, CT? Like, do you not see it? I have a video on it. I don't change any settings. You thought I had one at 10 a.m. for the big drop. It happened at 10 a.m. and we dropped out the bottom like 20 points, but I didn't really take this because we were just wicking everywhere. 11 a.m. my time. No. No. All right. I just took half off and I moved the other half to break even. Free trade, baby. Let's see if we can get a real push. Need to get under here. Otherwise, I'm out. It retested this wick and it's bouncing. Either way, it was a good trade. 140. $155. I got this pro account up 200. Imbalances work. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about the top? Yeah. No. No 3-bar at the top for me. Just this one, and then you had one at the bottom. The one at the bottom was obviously iffy because in theory, if you got in at 34, your stop was like 90, almost 90 points. That's why I don't like when these big ones happen, to be honest. I'm not a big fan of the big ones. They say it hurts. But but yeah, I would rather have the smaller ones because at least you have a defined stop loss that's 40 points. This one being 90 points is a big freaking stop. It's a lot to risk. I might actually hold. I got back in. I might hold. Motion of the ocean guy. One of those. I'd risk it all for the homies. How you doing, David? I'm honestly looking for just a massive flush out. Maybe target like right here. What up, Discipline? What's this platform? This is Tradeovate. Yeah, this is Tradeovate. How come I can't get any of these flash dumps when I'm actually in it? Dude, I was short right here and I got out and then it literally dumped like 80 points. Like literally 4 seconds after. Not cool. Not cool, not cool. What up, Scotsman? Oh, another day in the neighborhood. Do not flash dump. Do not flash dump. I haven't caught any of the I haven't gotten any of the flash dumps working in my favor since they basically started happening. Yo, what up, Methodical? You're short from 905. Yo, I was in 6 points after you. I actually took my I took it off and then re-entered. I pulled out and repositioned. We'll see what happens. About to get stopped. Never, ever, ever. I would love to retest 50. 50 would be nice. Tomorrow I'm smashing accounts. That's right. Well, I'm guessing you're talking about Apex or Bullnox. But yeah, tomorrow's the last day for Apex, 90% off. No, you get Tradeovate free with your platform. Oh my god. Am I gonna do this one more time? Yo, $16 for Apex 50K account. You really, I mean, kind of smash or pass them. Yeah, piano. Because they're $16 each instead of 33. So basically, it's buy one get one free. So if I could pass, the cost of getting funded is much cheaper. Right now, that's all I look for is the cost of getting funded. That's the only number that matters is the cost of having a funded account. What's up, Marco? How to enter Khalid? You got to hang out in the chat for a little bit because you can't be brand new. And then you'll see later on. It's all automated. I don't add people directly. It's all automated. What up, Kron? Just fucking unload it. This doesn't look great. Oh, right. That was okay. Just making sure it was an eval. It's not going anywhere. It's just playing with me. What up, Joyce? It looks like it wants to give it up. Does that happen? I don't know. If I knew, I'd call grandma and tell grandma to jump in. Definitely not disciplined. Sean, that's how you got to enter? But a bag of the big ones. Can't be small. Got to be big. Hold on one second. I got to open up the front door. Somebody drop this while I go open up my front door. Drop it like it's hot. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Oh, I had to open up the front door. You guys drop it? Come on. I think you're going to do better than that. The sim market makers are playing with me. Khalid, if you're brand new like you are, it's not going to let you in because it stops people from just signing up like 35 accounts and joining. So if you want to hang out, you'll be able to join. You might be able to join later on. If you can't later on, you'll be able to join tomorrow. Have I tried to get free resets or free accounts? No. No. Honestly, I haven't watched 1 minute of my funded futures TV. I rather just focus on my own trading. I'm either streaming and I'm not watching them, or I don't know. What's up, Nasdaq? What up? No, caveman, I gotta set it up. I still didn't set it up. What's going on, Nasdaq? You can ask. ZN is not looking good. Is that bonds? PG? Yes, I heard that you can sign and not have to pay right away. That is the word that I heard. That is the word on the street. Does it make sense to buy a whole bunch of evals when on discount for use over a few months, or is there a time limit? So there's no time limit, Vince. The issue is you'll get billed monthly. So if you're not going to use them, it doesn't really pay because they're going to bill you next month anyways. The only way you stop the rebilling is by passing them and paying for the lifetime fee, and then you don't have to trade them. The next day. You get it the very next day. There's definitely a time limit on paying for the Apex. I don't know what the paying part is. I know they want you to sign within 48 hours. I would pay for that account with sooner than later. Definitely ask support, but I would probably pay for it sooner than later. Oh, Apex requires a 48-hour payment? I didn't know that. I know it's 48 hours to sign it. Hey, Waldo, man, profit's profit, dude. Did I just, dude? Poker says you just have to sign. I would ask support. I would just ask support. See what support tells you. But I know you definitely have to sign quicker than pay. Yo, hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. Had to take it. I remember 48 hours. I know there's definitely 48 hours in the rules. Oh, man. What the fuck? I don't know what Bullnox's deal is. I let one sit recently for a little bit, and they were cool with it, but I don't actually know what the deal is with Bullnox. Yo, is this thing going to dump or is this thing going to just fucking play around here? I took that off because I was up $600. I had to take that off. $600. If I went up $600 and gave that up, I would be pissed. So I got 600 and now watch it dump. I had passed an eval, sit for a week. Yeah, Dell. Listen, people have done it. I just don't want to tell somebody to do it and then Apex takes it away. So IBM, it should move it a little bit. I don't know what the deal is going to be. Oh, bull knocks. Yo, what up, Ace? Hey, I have a 50K take profit trader account. Can I hit my 3 take? No, because there's a 50% consistency rule. So basically, you can only do $1,500 in a day. If you do any more than $1,500, you're going to have to go higher than $53,000. Should have just held a little bit longer. Yeah, Ace. You don't want to, on the evals, you don't want to have to do any more than 1,500 and take profit trader. Brandy, yeah. And much later on, I'm going to do it. Yeah, you don't want to do more than $1,500 in a day. I'm just back in with smaller size. If you're making 400 max, that shouldn't. Yeah, but I have a feeling he did like $2,500 today. You know, you you don't want to do $2,500 in an eval on take profit trader in a day. If it's a funded account, you can. That's what makes take profit trader the best. Is you could do. There's no consistency rules on the funded accounts. Yeah, I mean he's definitely moving up. But I have a feeling he did a massive. I think he had a massive day, is what happened. I have a feeling like he did a massive amount of money today. Sean, what are you up? Are you driving around while trading? I have a feeling Sean's driving, one hand on the wheel, the other is in his phone, and he's just putting trades in. That's what it feels like. Oh, I'm just seeing if I missed anybody's questions. Did I miss anybody's question? Anybody have a question that I missed? Just freaking dump already? I know. Methodical says you could pay anytime. So if you have a payment issue and you can't pay anytime, you just blame him. No, I would ask support though. Seriously, I would ask support. Sean's getting a roadie. I'm heading to buy a vehicle for my dream build. And yes, pass a Tradeify that way today. Jeez. Yo, definitely playing pocket pool. Yo, what are you going to buy, man? Sean strikes me as a smart car guy. I passed too many accounts. Nasdaq, how many accounts did you pass today? Keith likes longs here. It's actually not a bad spot to go long, Keith. If you zoom out, basically back over this area. I mean, I'm not jumping in, but I can see it. Too many land yachts. Damn, that just rejected hard. Cove, how do you pass accounts if the max you can make is 1,500? Are you playing with higher funded accounts? Oh, we're talking about Take Profit Trader, not Apex. So these accounts, I can't get over $1,500 a day to pass this account. Once it says, see when it says pro, that means it's a funded account. Then it doesn't matter anymore. But these, you can only do $1,500 in a day. Yeah. Apex is 1 day pass. Apex is 1 day. I love the short for whatever reason. I'm sorry. I am super short bias right now. Oh yeah, Ace, you're good. $600 a day, you're awesome. Yeah, you're to the low a day, possibly. What was that 747? Dude, I could see 747 happening. Yo, all I need is one of those Trump flash dumps. It always gets me on the other way. Now I need it my way. I want 180 points down. I put the build I'm going in for in Discord. Yo, what up, Brian? What's going on, Miramar? I don't know. Come on. Unload it for daddy. Apex is always 1 day to pass. Fucking push it. One more push. All right, I took my $240. What about another big leg down? The question lady is back from jail. That's hysterical. Are you still at work, Maria? I was short from that last top and ended up break even. Ooh. I want to make it to payout for a change. Just take Nasdaq, whatever you do to go to pass the account, just keep doing the same thing once you have a funded account. The issue is people get funded accounts and then they trade completely different. Yeah, Nash, I'm almost positive you could. They're all 1 day to pass. Nobody is here. That's the best, Maria. You getting paid to work and trade at the same time. Yeah, that's the problem. Is you're trading one way and then you trade the other way. Yeah, caveman. I saw something about it. I honestly, whatever they do, they do. I just focus on my trading every day. I can't do anything. Like, people are mad at that tracking thing or whatever they're doing. I'm like, just trade and make money. There's nothing else I can do. Time to get ready. You're early. You're early, BK. IBM's at 410. Man, luckily I got out. That's why I take my money. Definitely took my money and ran. Oh, they're 90% off today, Baba. So I bought a bunch. I passed 1, 2, 3. I passed 4 accounts and then got a bunch up and then demolished a bunch. That's what happens when they're 90% off. I passed a 150 and then 350s and then blew a ton. Actually, I'll be honest with you, I blew probably 3 or 4 of these. I was 0 for 3 or 0 for 4 last night while we were playing poker. I shouldn't have traded Asia, to be honest. I'm awful at Asia. But I went 0 for 4 during Asia. Only because we were playing poker and hanging out. If we weren't hanging out, probably would have never played it. Yo, Sean, that's a nice truck. That's a real nice truck. I thought you were up 1,800 last night at midnight. Oh, one of them I did. You're right. One of these I did. I was up 1,700. It was probably this account right here. I hit it and went to bed. I don't know. It's all like a blur, but I definitely blew 4 accounts. I was 0 for 4. 0 for 4 means I didn't pass any. Like, there's only 2 types of evals. Ones that are passed and ones that are not passed. I was 0 for 4. Yeah, I'm not loving Asia. I don't like trading Asia. I'm usually out on Asia. Yo, Sean. Whoopsies. My bad. Yo, caveman, exactly. Dude, I just got a quick scalp for a Hyundai. Quick Hyundai scalp. trying to get this account back up. Did I trade on Take Profit Trader today? I did. Pro account is up 207. Eval's up 290. And something's telling me that I have one trade left in the day for this account right at the buffer. It just feels like it's ready for like one quality trade, and I'm probably going to let it rip. I don't know what that trade will be, but I feel like there's one trade left in me for that account. It just feels that way. But yeah, I'll be honest with you. I was just thinking about something before. I was like, man, I got a lot of accounts now. I got to do one of two things. I got to either copy trade or I got to push these accounts hard. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Like I got rebuild in Fidias for 5 accounts and I ended up passing all 5. You know, like what are the odds of passing all 5? You know, it's great that I passed all 5, but at the same time, how many funded accounts total am I up to? Yeah, probably like 30 or something. The problem with Fidias, Maria, is you need to get to 54,000, not 53,000 to pass. So you need 33% more profit to pass. And I never thought I would do it all, and I passed them all. Yeah. It seems so easy, PG. Just send it. Yo, they have a consistency rule of, I think it's 30% in there. Their payout rules suck too. Everything in there sucks. But I'm up 300 right now in my cash account. I just got it back over the 50 marker. Right? Yeah. See how it says PP cash? I just got it back over 50,000. And I passed, you can see they're all 54,000. I had to flip a contract today. That's why you see $2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The problem is you can only have 5 funded accounts, and now I got 6. So I don't know what I don't know what happens here. I might just hit one real hard, and then if I blow it, I blow it. I don't know. No, Fidias. I'm talking Fidias. It sounds like something you catch on Saturday night. Yo, this random chick gave me some Fidias, and I'm itchy. Yo. My stuff's red and raw, and it's itchy. I got the Fidias. I'm not trying Padilla. I'm out. What made me try Fidias? It was 90% off one day, and I randomly was like, whatever. And I didn't look at any of the rules. I didn't look at any of the rules. And then all of a sudden I realized I found the rules and realized I needed 54,000. And then the payout window is like once a month or something. It's not good. I'm out on them. I'm out. I'm just going to trade what I got, and then I'm out. Got that Fidias. What's up, Bartolo? Yeah, I just stick with Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. I got Top Step. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And I have a Tradeify account. I got max payout coming with Tradeify. I got the max. I'm actually over 2 maxes. I can get max, trade the minimum, and get another max payout with Tradeify. So I'm actually going to request tonight 1,500, which is the max they'll give you on your first payout. So your first payout is 1,500, then it's 1,750, I think. Dude, I can't believe it finally dumped. Yeah, you got to get like 5 or 6 payouts. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Going to the help center. Live payouts and withdrawals. So they're getting rid of the payout window. It's like Apex where you got to keep $2,100 in there. So these are the max payouts. Each account is different. So I have enough for payout 1 and payout 2. And that's the max. And it's okay if you don't take out the max. You can take out a smaller amount. Remember, your girl tells you that the big payouts hurt. So it's okay if you take a smaller one out if you can't hit the max. Payout is a payout. Oh. But I was hoping I could take out more, to be honest with you, because I'm at almost 56,000 with them, and it would be cool to take out $4,000. But that's not going to happen until payout 6 is done. Oh. Anyone playing this in balance to the downside? Yeah, I'm going to max it out as much as I can. With one payout, I'm positive on Tradeify with one payout because I've only had 5 accounts with them, and the only account that's rebilled me was $15, and they have no activation fee. So with one payout, I'm positive on Tradeify. With 2 payouts, I'm way positive on Tradeify. Yo, Jim Blab. If this dumps right here, dude, these fucking imbalances are just money. Like, it literally came up here, wicked the imbalance, and then just dropped. It's great for like a short-term bounce. Obviously, this one is too close. That's why I didn't play that one. But when you got to travel a little bit of a distance to go to it, I love the imbalances. They are freaking money. Oh, you're waiting for the 34 touch? Yeah. I mean, it got close. I got in at the imbalance knowing that I have to let it at least go there. How many eval? Hold on one second. How many eval accounts have I failed today? Jack Boom. Today or last night? Last night I failed 3 or 4 of them. And today I failed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, once we came back over the 9, I didn't like that anymore. I wanted to stay under the 9. My goal is to pass accounts. I usually get like a 33, 35% pass rate. Today was awful because I blew 3 or 4 of them last night in Asia, which messed up my whole ratio. I was trading these last night while we were playing poker, Maria. We were playing poker, and I was getting. I kind of still like this to the downside. Still confused on this Apex thing. If I make more than Apex, you can pass in one day. Oh, that was fucking nice. That was $330. You could pass in one day on Apex. Apex is 90% off right now. You could pass in one day. Yo, make me take care of Mrs. Cove. Mrs. Cove was on my ass last night while I was playing poker, trying to pass accounts as I was blowing them. Dude, it's warm in my let's turn this air conditioning on for. Dude, she was mad. She wanted to watch a season finale of a show, and I was like, just give me 2 seconds. I'm trying to pass some accounts. She didn't want to hear shit. Am I going back to the well again here? Yeah. That's funny, Del. No, she's not trying. I'm trying to pass accounts, and she's wanting to watch TV with me. Oh, that was a good hit. That was another $170. Working this account. Working the account. Mama Tick. I tried to get her to, she was talking about learning to trade recently. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what she wants to do. Well, there we go. There's a push. You trying to figure out trade evade? What question do you have? Maybe I can help you out. What's your trade evade question? Are you having trouble signing in? Anybody ever has problems with like trade evade, trading view, or anything like that, like just ask. I'll help you out without a doubt. That's what this room's about. This isn't like you just sit here and watch me the whole time. Like I help you out. And if you can't figure it out, I'll make you a video and just send it to you, like a Loom video. How to set profit and risk. Oh, so easy. Ready? Mama Tick? See up here? You go to which one is it? I think you go to reports. No, hold on. Oh, this is it. You go to application settings. So it's the very top right here. You click that. And then you find the account that you want. You hit risk settings. And then you can set your daily loss, weekly loss, daily profit, weekly profit. It's all in here. See? And then you hit the little X and get it out after you save it. Just saved you so much time. What's up, Xanax? Right? That's what you wanted, Mama Tick? That's why I tell people to just ask. Mama, that's what it's about. Just ask. I'll help you out in 2 seconds. I probably know the answer. I probably know the answer, so just ask. Oh, man. I am going to say I'm going to say this is not bullish. Honestly, not very bullish. Trump came out. We're down almost 200 points. Actually, we're down more. We are down 350 points from the top. That's not bullish. I'm just looking at what the daily looks like real quick. Let me just peep the daily. If we close inside this fair value gap and then go below 662, that is not what you want. Yo, Mad Moxie's here for the Peep Show. Yo, in about an hour, I take my shirt off. Yo, what up, Flip? Flip. Yo, Andy, I couldn't find that script that you use. Shadow Con or whatever it's called. Couldn't find it. Oh, yeah. Get them quarters ready. What the fuck? Yo. Dell. What's up, Brandon? When is the fuck race? Yo. Only at 420, baby. What other time would you run it? Bro, you gotta pull the helicopter out every once in a while. I mean, that's the move. Is that not the move? Yo, have you ever seen How I Met Your Mother? And Barney has all these like playbook things to get chicks, and one of them's called the Naked Man, where like she goes in the other room to like grab something, and when she comes back, you're just naked, and it works 2 out of 3 times. Yo, that show was freaking hysterical. The first like 4 seasons were funny, and then it kind of got but in the beginning it was really funny. What up, Waldo? Brian? Are we just gonna sell off? Barney wouldn't be allowed now. It's funny. I look at some shows and I'm like, that wouldn't be allowed. Yeah, Barney. I'm trying to think of some. Yo, what up, Mac Daddy? Oh man, dude, just building this account. Yo, I did not know that, Mad Moxie. I did not know that. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. The big candles hurt. Oh. I mean, you got it, Waldo. I mean, you're up a ton. Yo, Living Color, yeah. I'm trying to think what else there was that was like. Thanks, Andy. Dude, there was a lot of good ones. Man, I was in this so many different times and just didn't hold. Yo. No, you cannot. Code, you can't do it with a funded account. I don't think you can do it with an eval. Or they don't give a shit what you do with an eval. You definitely can't do it with a funded account. Should have held the runner. Man, that's a nice sell-off, too. At least I made money off of it, though. The worst is when you're in and you get out and then you don't continue playing it and you're like, like I definitely played it quite a bit. Not as much as I should have. What up, D? What's going on, Kevin? Oh, man. Dell, would you get back in? Did you just go all in short and make back all your money? My day's going pretty good. Yo, the imbalance looks good because obviously it's a sweep of these lows down here and then bounce. This imbalance is sitting right at 700, which is, I'm definitely taking this one. I mean, I'll tell you that right now. You went short 3NQ. Oh, so you made back all your money? That's why they call it patience. Pay. Yo, Methodical, you think it's going to fill this gap today? All the way down here to 8? You think we're going at 18,365 today? Dude, we dropped 400 points in the next 30 minutes. I'd be wild. Oh, you're talking about the, I know what you're talking about. I definitely want to get back in short. I would just like to see a little bounce. Are we just going to follow the 9 here? Oh, that sucks. I was up for a brief moment. I definitely feel like we're going further down. I'm just going to wait it out. Damn, Profit P, you got a bunch of points. What's up, Amir? I need a water so bad. What do we think? 34 touch? We're not even going to go up to 34. That was it. Oh, geez. That's ugly. That's ugly, ugly. Mac Daddy. Dude, that's ugly. Come on, come down and touch this imbalance. Oh, you're going to do this again to me? Oh. Whoa, what the fuck is that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't like this. What the fuck? What's going on here? Is there news? Uh-oh. Something just happened. We just got like a big algo. Ugh. I have not had one algo candle go my way. Not one algo candle has gone my way. I don't see any news either. I would love to get out of this and let it sit down, but yeah, saw that coming. Not one time has that happened. Oh. That sucks. GA, do I? No, I do not. No. Right up into this. I'm looking at the 5. What up, Luca? Rejected right at the 34. It actually does not look terrible. Yo, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Why are we up? I think it's just an algo bounce. I mean, I don't. All of a sudden, the candles all start flickering. They might push it back up to end the day. They could definitely push this back up, 880 or something. Scalp it real quick to the up. There is a guy doing the bracket with the 4 p.m. candle. Oh, Maria, you're gonna enter this into my life right now. Are you saying he takes the 359 candle and at 4 o'clock it goes one way or the other? I'm guessing. Send it. I'll take a look. I'm just trying to build this account. Would I go for a straight to funded? Honestly, me personally, at the rate my pass rate, it's probably cheaper for me to go the evaluation route. I could get a funded account there for less than $300 and something, just being honest. That's how I look at everything, is cost of funding. My cost of funding at Tradeify is cheaper through the growth. I think it's whatever one's the. It's like 139 for a 50K. I don't know if that's advanced or growth. It's the more expensive one, is the one I use. Growth accounts. Yeah, I use growth accounts. Trying to make my money back. Right here, are we sweeping? Let's see if we bounce right here. Logically, it would not be a bad bounce spot. Swept the lows, bounce off the imbalance, and come back. Oh, please. I feel like I'm going to get swept out and it's going to bounce. Come on. Come on. Give me a bounce. Get back over 50. Push it. Oh, that just fucked. That's the bounce? Don't tell me that was all the bounce was. I think that's it. But wait, there's more. All right, I'm out of that. I think it was like 170 when I hit the button. I don't play him down here, though, CT. So, being that it happened down here, that's what I'm not looking for. I want this to happen at the top of a trend, not at the bottom of a trend. Obviously, it's still Apex is 90% off until tomorrow at midnight. Tomorrow at midnight. Coupon code COVETRADER, 90% off Apex till midnight tomorrow. Yeah, it's only for reversals. Listen, if you're short, obviously you want to see that candle formation happen on the 5. It's obviously a positive for you, but I don't treat it the same as I do the other way. Let's see what happens. I'll play the last in balance here. Maria, that's okay. I just throw it out there. It's all good. No one's mad. Just dump it. Dump it further. Dump it. What I don't want to happen is I don't want to get back above these lows because then this might be the bounce. I want to see it go down to this last imbalance and then bounce. All good. All good. Just take the accounts to a payout. That's all. I want to see you get paid. I need water. I don't even have water here. I'm going to get water real fast. If this... I'm going to get water real fast. I got nothing to drink. I got my orders in. Oh, it bounced. Do we? Oh. Yo, the goat's back. What up, goat? What up, Robert? Man, that was a nice bounce off the imbalance. Mushroom time. It's me, Matteo. Oh, bad. I thought I was going to sneeze. I was thinking about taking the short. I wouldn't have got filled. I was thinking about shorting it up here. Oh, that was nice. Oh, I could have got more. Look at that. Freaking imbalanced rejection right there. I got 50 and I got 70. I think I got 150. Look at that. That's a perfect. Oh, man, that was perfect. We got the bounce on this one and then the rejection. I know, Yan. I was there. It was right there. What up, Chris? Christopher Enchanted almost wicked out. The GOAT, you got to be on the stream to get points. Streamlabs assigns them to you as you're on the stream, you get points. That stops new people from just coming in and then leaving real quick and joining the free giveaways. All right. For anybody that's new, this is how it works. Streamlabs assigns you points. That stops people from creating 10 accounts and just entering the duck race. So as you're on the stream, it gives you points. If you just hang out, it will do it. But if you just come in here for 2 seconds and leave, yeah, but you've been on the stream for 3 minutes. That means somebody can take an account, be on for 3 minutes, join, and then do it 30 times. So to stop that, because we had a big issue with people doing it with multiple accounts, Streamlabs sets it up that if you hang out, it adds points and then you're able to join. So if you hang out, but if meaning that you have 1 point, it means you're on here for less than 5 minutes. I think it gives you 1 point for every 5 minutes you're on the stream. So that's how you could see that I think it's 10 points. And that stops new people from just, or not even new people, it stops people from just joining with 35 accounts. It's just a preventative for fraud. When we were doing it without points, I caught, not just me, the chat caught multiple people using like 5 or 8 accounts. So to stop that, we did this. The high table of the Cove stream voted on this. Oh, are we going to reject again? I'm going to take half size. Just looking for a scalp. Can I scalp it? $70, $75. Cats, did I get your email? Maria, is this a 3-bar? No, because it created this 3-bar to the downside, but you want to see the downside 3 bars at the high at the top. You don't want to see a 3-bar after you've already gone down. Like we got a 3-bar to the upside. See this blue? You want to see the upside 3-bar at the bottom of the trend, and you want to see these yellow short 3-bars at the top. So we got the 3-bar at the very top up here, which actually was the top of this whole thing. That's what they called you in college, old 3-bar. Man, that was a freaking rejection and a half. Not saying it can't reject. I'm just saying if you're playing the 3-bar strategy, you're looking for it at the top of a trend, not at the bottom of a trend. Oh, baby. I'm setting my stuff up. I'm setting my stuff up. What up, Bob? Long the NQ. I will take a look. I don't like that the NQ cannot break over this green line. Personally speaking. Once we get over that, I'll kind of adjust my looks good. Looks like it's going for you. I'm thinking what I want to do. I think I'm going to keep it tight today. I think I'm going to keep it tight. I'm in with a small size. This is small, tight stop. Let's see. It might stop me out. If it does, I'm getting rid of all these orders. All right. Getting rid of all those orders. Oh, shit. I missed it. Bro, I didn't put it in. Yo, I was too busy fucking dicking around right here. Fuck me. Yo. Wow, I can't believe I didn't fucking put that in. Dude. Oh, what a piece. What I can't believe I just didn't do it. I just like, I don't want to say I spaced out, but I like fucking spaced out. I was looking at this fucking trade and I just didn't put it in. I just didn't fucking put it in like a loser. I can't believe I did that. Oh, so stupid. Oh, unbelievable. I can't believe that just happened to me. That was like free money I just didn't fucking do. Oh, that was literally free money that I just didn't take. Unbelievable. So I can't believe that I literally can't believe I just let that happen. Oh, why did I do that? Why did it's so stupid. I should be taking a daily payout right now from Take Profit Trader, and I'm not.
Order rejected.
Yo, fuck, dude, I just took a risk. Oh, whoa, I am so fucking lucky. I'm so lucky. Oh, I just took a risk and played the 355. Yo, daily payout is back. Yo, I played the 355, but I played it completely different. Mr. Hardbody? What the fuck? Is that one of you guys? All right. I feel better about myself now. Not in a million years would I have done the 355. Let's be real. Would never have done it. But I was so pissed that I missed that trade that I had to risk it for the biscuit. And I played the 355. I got 270. I'm going to take 230 bucks probably out for myself today. Plus I got the 1500 coming from Tradeify. Holla at your boy. I will never, dude for the top step degen accusers. Bro, I feel like I'm wheelbarrowing my nuts around after that. Wow. Wow. Dude, that was awesome. Emil, I'm personally not touching it myself right now. I'm basking in a degenerate move that I did that worked out. How did I play it? I moved close. So I didn't do edge to edge like normally. I just got fucking close. I just got close and it got me in, and then it went down. I played it short. I think I played my one order to buy was above the 200 because that was going to be resistance. So I think my one buy was like 161, and my sell to short was at like 35, and I caught it down, like this little move down. I caught it for 4.5 points for $270. Now I don't feel so bad, even though I would never in a million years have played that. It's just I messed up on the other one, so I got this, and this kind of gave me a payout. So super risky. I risked it for the biscuit. Yeah, Jim Blab. What I did, you should never do. It was super risky. I was risking a 150K pro account. Oh, Miguel, it was complete revenge. It was enough revenge that I didn't want anybody following because I knew how stupid it was. I just kept it to myself. Oh, shit. You've been playing both? I am not playing that again. That was I missed out. From now on, I'll be honest with you. My alarm goes off. I am not answering any questions until for those 2 minutes. I'm solely focused on that one thing. I don't want to be focused on anything else. Wow. man, I almost need a smoke after that one. Google earnings come out tomorrow. Yo, IBM comes out today. And being that this account is down, I do not mind throwing in a couple shekels here and seeing if we could get a oh, let's see if I can make it back. Don't do this, by the way. This is complete. Yo, IBM is at 410, and that might move the market a little bit. Google is tomorrow, and that will definitely move the market. I have a friend that just passed his first Apex eval. He can't hardly talk. What do you have to do to pass the eval that he can't hardly talk? He's busy, right? Is he still busy? Nah, what did he do? Did he play he played that special time? Yo, check your pants. I think Google will be up. Mouth wide open, baby. He's always nervous. Dude, that was crazy end to the day. He was playing 3 minutes. Yo, you got to do it 3 minis. Hold on 1 second. I just got to grab something. Oh, who's playing IBM earnings besides myself? I don't know. It depends. I don't know if it's going to move the market. I'm being honest with you. I don't know. You're going to have to look at last earnings. I would have been better if it would have been done. Yo, I played the second one in my pro account and got the same amount of money. All right, IBM has not come out yet. Oh my god. Yo. Microsoft will definitely move the market. Okay, hold on. Oh, fuck. They're out already. Yo, they're out already. IBM earnings are out already. I thought it was 410. Good night, Maria. I thought it was 410. They're out already. IBM popped. Actually, you would have gotten. I would have made money. I would have gotten it. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, baby. I didn't do this one. I was going to. But it just I thought it was at 410. It dropped a minute early, 2 minutes early. And honestly, it didn't really move the market that much. Google's going to move it like 50 points. Google's going to move it like 50 points. Oh, did I bracket today? I was too busy doing something else. I missed it. And then I did the 355. Super dangerous. And I hit. And I'm taking a daily payout with Take Profit Trader. I would never have done the 355, so I kind of made up for missing it, and it was risky as hell. Super risky. Oh, man. All right. Got 7 more minutes. Yo, man, the ban on artificial food dye made the market pop today. Dude, that's good that they're doing that shit. They really should clean this stuff up. Definitely clean it up. Well, I'm back to daily payouts. So I just hope they give me my payout before tomorrow. Like, Cats, you sent emails? I don't normally check my email when I'm on the stream. Yeah. I will Cats. I will handle it when I'm off the stream. I will handle it as soon as I'm off the stream. I'll do it. Give me when I'm off the stream. Yeah, I got you. I'm going to go through them all. I got a bunch of emails, and believe me, there's going to be a lot of emails coming through. 6 more minutes, boys. Boys and girls. Oh, man. Dude, that was a risk and a half. How to get the paper, though? Well, it seems like everyone's running deals now. Apex 90% off. Tradeify is like 35. Take Profit Trader is still 30, no activation fee. My funded futures is 82%, $82 for starters. I'll be honest with you, I thought we were coming to a time that all these firms were done running promotions. The fact that they're all running promotions right now is pretty interesting to me. I thought the promotions were kind of on their way out. Well, if you guys play the 3-bar, would have definitely hit today. I wouldn't have taken this 3-bar because of all these wicks. When we're doing stuff like this, I don't trust any of this stuff. But once the market simmered, this 3-bar was nice. This 3-bar was nice. And then I wouldn't have taken this one because this is a down and you've already gone down. So this is invalidated. Yeah, Brandon, the big thing is you got to just be able to take the accounts over the threshold. Like, and hold. You know, that's kind of where I'm going with some of this stuff is like, you know, if I would have taken this and held, this is a lot of fucking points you can get, you know, and the same thing on the way on the other side, like, you know, 930, you could have gotten almost 100 points. You know, if you get $1,000 and you times that in 20 accounts, I got to work my way up to it, but I'm going to start pushing for bigger payouts. It's just, I like to get on a little bit of a roll where I get payout, payout, payout. And then I say, okay, I'm going for bigger ones. So like today, I'm getting 1,500 from Tradeify. I'm getting about 240 from Take Profit Trader. So now I get, you know, just call it $1,750 today. You know, I get another payout tomorrow from Take Profit Trader, and I'm at $2,000 in 2 days, or 2,500 in 2 days. Now I'm going to start going for bigger payouts because now I have the money coming in already that covers more accounts, that covers other things. You know, that's where I'm at, and then I start going after bigger payouts. Have I received any payouts from Apex? Yeah, I've received payouts from Apex. Yeah. That's the way to go, is to hit for a couple payouts that cover all your accounts, and then you go after the big ones. Yeah. I mean, that's the way you got to think about it. It is a business, Josh. You're running a business. It's your money, and you want to make sure, you know, you're covered. And once you're covered, you can get aggressive if you want and possibly go for like a max payout. Where's my 3-bar entry? It's always on the break. So I'll zoom in for you guys. So right here, it's right at the top here. Technically, you get in here and your stop loss is the bottom of this candle, is the stop loss. Yeah, GOAT, I'm profitable this month. And I'm profitable last month. I'm profitable. I didn't make a lot of money in February. I was in Disney for a full week, and I was in Mexico for a couple of days. I didn't trade for like, I think it was like over 30% of February. I did not trade prop firms. And I think I only got like 4 payouts in February. But January, I made a lot of money. March, I went like 13 of 14 trading days getting paid. I have videos about it. And then I don't know what I did this month. I think I took a couple Top Step payouts, a couple Take Profit Trader payouts so far. I'm taking the Tradeify payout. I don't know. Maybe I'm at $6,000-$7,000 in prop firm payouts this month so far. It goes streaky though, because once you get accounts that are like, you know, now that I'm over the buffer, every single day I make money in this account, I take money out. Oh yeah, my bad. I'm getting caught up. I'm getting caught up in, I got caught up a lot today. All right, I'm running the ducks. It's 4:20. It's duck time. All right. So this is the deal. By the way, if you're new on here, you got to make sure you subscribe. If you don't hit that little bell, you're not going to get notified that I'm live. So you got to hit the bell. We stream live every day, 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. until 4:30. We do account giveaways a lot. I like to give back as much as I can. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. That's what allows me to do this stuff. Like I said before, Apex is running a great deal. Tradeify, Take Profit Traders always running a good deal. And My Funded Futures. Code works at all those places. We're going to run a bunch of duck races here because we're going to have some fun. So it's not going to be as long as normal. So let's dude, I don't know why this happens to my stream sometimes. Yo, we're doing sprints, baby. Cats, why did you blow through it? That's the Sonic Ducks. What up, Pips Hunter? Who else is in here? Who do we got? Yo, what up, Carlos? Quack, quack, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is Elvin in here? You got 2 minutes to claim. Yo, Chad, that's a good question, Chad. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, Chad. Elvin, are you here? Shoot me an email. Shoot me an email, Elvin. That lasted longer than your last eval? Yo, we're doing 50K Apex accounts. Gonna get a bunch of people some accounts. He's got to be in there. Yo, you got the back duck? That's titties. Yo, is the Lord in here? Yo, Lord, are you in here? Lord, you got 2 minutes. It's 4:24. Yeah, you won. Shoot me an email, Lord. Let's go again.
$700 billion and $1.3 trillion.
Who are these people? Lord? Lord's in here all the time. Mr. Hardbody. Who the fuck is Mr. Hardbody? Is that one of you guys? I don't even know what to say to that. Oh. I want to speak to Samson. I want to talk to Samson. Yo, is Wayne in here? You got 2 minutes, Wayne. Uh-oh. Mr. Hardbody? I like it. Uh-oh. Is Wayne not in here? Dude, you got another minute. Oh, you won. What is that? 3 so far? Is that 3? Somebody tell me, how many is that so far? Well, we got 3 winners so far. Quack, quack, baby. Do my little dance. I don't know, Mac Daddy. I don't know. Apex is 90% off, so I'll hook some people up. You know what I'm saying? Yo, they don't let the Trump duck win for anything. Bro, it's 427. Yeah, over tomorrow at midnight, design. 427. Larry Spencer, you in the house? 427. Yo, Amir. No, Larry's been around. Dude, Oliver Phillips is the Trump duck. I don't know, Jay Fisker. I don't know. Yo, 428. 428. Or 29. Yo, he won this morning, right? It's fine. He won this morning. You can't win twice on one stream. You can win twice in the day. You can't win twice on one stream. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, make sure you're on tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna do it again. Gonna do it a bunch. Yo, make sure you're emailing me, people. People, if you win, you got to email me. Oh, Mad Moxie about ooh. Kron, you here? It's 4:30. Yeah, Wayne, you email me. My email's in the chat. Kron, you here? Shoot me an email. How many times have we run one so far? What are we at? 6? 7? What are we at? Anyone keeping count? Yo, if you email me, you better include your YouTube name so I know who you are. Got to include your YouTube name. Yo, Chad. Chad, you got it. Oh, they just did you dirty. Damn, great style. Yo, it's 4:31. Is Nathan White here? It's 4:31. Premature formulation. Ain't that the truth? Yo, at 4:33, I'm rerunning this if you're not in here. Oh, you're in here. Nathan's in here. Now's a good time. Any questions, guys? Any questions about anything? Prop firms, indicators, anything at all? Yeah, prop firms, indicators, trading strategies. That might help you out. Anybody got questions? Oh, man. Gold Asia session while playing poker. Yo, Apex consistency rule is 30%. My strategy, oh man, there's more than one strategy. I'll play how do you fit all this prop cash in your pockets? Yo. Oh man. But yeah, I play I like this the volume imbalances, the retests. These have been pretty money. Pretty money. Oh. If anybody wants to join the Discord, it's all free. I'm looking. Let me put it in the chat. If you want to join, it's all free. Yo, anything that looks good. A lot of support and resistance is probably the best way. Support, resistance. I play fair value gaps. I like sweeps. I love 3-bar reversals on the 5 pivot points. I really like this because you were trading up into the 15-minute fair value gap. You swept this high, and then you put in a 3-bar. This was actually a plus setup. So there's volume imbalances. They're kind of like fair value gaps. This is the indicator right here, volume imbalance. Poker tournament this week again. I'll probably do one next week. I'm going to give everybody about a week to sign up. You think having an edge in this market? I've been profitable. It's like you can't look at this. This is just smash or pass. Like the red, I trade these with the PA like it's real money. And I'm definitely up in this market. Later, Amir. Oh, man. Yeah, orbs. You know what the problem is? Recently, we haven't been trading around the orbs, Mama Tick. But yeah, I love trading the orbs. Actually, so today, you know, when you sweep out and back in, this you wouldn't have been able to catch because this was too fast. But this you would have caught. Oh, man. Oh, my eyes. I am like, I'm tired. I'm tired. If you won, you got to shoot me an email. No, I catch the ball, BK. I don't let it hit my finger. I actually catch them. The good news is I'll be out late that I can put in my my TPT I can put in my take profit trader withdrawal tonight when I get home. Yo, later. Oh, man. Any questions? Anybody got questions on here about anything? Oh, man. Cove, you're free. Yo, that's awesome that you already did it. Google News is tomorrow, Nathan. How do I spot them? I use a script to spot fair value gaps. Intraday drawdown is in here. Your max drawdown, you just click this arrow. Yo, let's run another duck race. For the people that stick around to the end. People that stick around to the end, we'll run another one. Just for whoever's on here. Got to hang out to the end. Never know. It's only open for 3 minutes. So if you miss it, I can't help you out because I got to go do stuff too. So whoever's on here till the end gets rewarded. Make sure you're on the stream tomorrow. We're going to give away a bunch of these also. Yo, if you won already, you can't win again. You can't win again, Speed Racer. You gotta spread it out to some of the other people. If you won already on this stream, not early stream, if you won on this stream, you can't win again. I just want to let everybody know. We're spreading it out. Yo, as they say, peace out. Thanks for the free account. Well, that's why I do the thing where you have to be on here to join now. Streamlabs makes it. Yo, I should start increasing the points to like 20. So you got to be on. You can't just come in and dart out. Well, only 30 seconds left, and then I'm running it. So whoever's doing it, better put the code in now. So Sean is barely in. All right. 4, 3. All right. I'm not looking at the chat, so whoever's in is in, and I'm going to run it. Why did that just happen? But I got to fix that, whatever that just was. There we go. How to fix my screen. I shrank it. I shrank it. Oh, baby. Who do we got? Yeah, what did Sean do? Gamble them all away? Dell? Who is this? Ah, Piano Trader. Piano Trader, you're on here, right? Piano Trader, you on here? Tell me you're on here, please. You're on here? Nice. We'll run one more and then I'm out. Last one. Make sure you email me. Make sure you guys email me. Yo, tomorrow we're going to do this also. Being that 90% off, hook a bunch of people up with accounts. I think that's a good way to give back. Yo, Dell, you're out front. Lee Watt. You in, Lee? Is Lee here? All right, shoot me an email. Don't worry, tomorrow, Jim Blab, there's going to be a lot of accounts given away. We're going to have some fun. So make sure you're on the stream. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER, and I will see you in the morning at 10:30. All right. Peace.